What up, guys? Brodith Undead here today.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, with
Again.
monkey skulls.
With monkey scales. I don't know. We are doing the bean boozle.
And we have to be careful right now.
Yeah, because his brother's
He's doing important stuff.
job stuff.
Yeah.
So we have to be quiet. So no killing. By the way, this swears. So if he's swearing, we'll not do anything. So if it swears, no. Don't watch this video.
If you hate swearing,
Yeah.
don't watch. I don't care.
Yeah.
Okay. We're doing Sniper Wars.
So we're not gonna do Sniper Wars early. We can.
We'll do it.
We can. If we want to. So I'm just
than
gonna
our voices right now.
Huh?
Is this getting louder than our voices right now?
Yeah. Okay, so we're playing Farcry and every time.
Farcry3.
Okay. If we die 5 times, we have to eat a bean boozle, but we'll count them up before we eat them. So we're just gonna do 1 round of this. Well, 2.
I'll revive you, buddy.
No, we'll just do 1. 15 minutes long, yeah.
Oh, run. Revive. Run.
Okay.
Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, that was my teammate. Sorry, guy.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
By the way, I'm on bottom screen.
I'm on
Monkey
top.
Scholes is on top.
Okay, we have to go revive those guys. Can't jump through the window.
I know, I just jumped out.
I know, we're trying to jump through the window.
Crap, I died. Help.
Where are they at?
Just get me.
Time to get moving.
Thank you.
Bam! And I missed.
Nice.
Oh my god! Oh,
There's one more.
Wow, I have been playing this for quite a while and I barely got the multiplayer kill beginner.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Help!
Well, there's a guy over
Help!
here.
There's 2. There's 2 of those.
Oh my god.
First, guys, first death out of 5. Ah, crap. If you don't know what bean boozles are, they are these, by the way.
Should we try pistols only?
Yeah, we'll do that. Let's do it.
Let's try the other pistols with the other guns.
There's only 2 pistols.
I know. The other pistols are...
There's a automatic or this one.
You're not getting him!
Did I kill him?
I got night sights. Oh, hey.
I'm healing.
Oh no! What the frick? Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out of me.
No! I almost made it.
Dude, there's no way I'm
This is gonna be 2 deaths. He's gonna
Are
get
they gonna pick me
you.
up?
He's gonna get me as well. I hope.
They're gonna... Yes!
Help, dude. Yeah.
Oh, where are you at?
I'm right by you.
Why
Right
didn't
there.
they pick you up?
I know, exactly, right?
Jeez.
Oh.
Some people are so...
So we didn't die. But,
Did you catch their names? Because we're not gonna buy them.
yeah,
No! This guy over there, help me.
I'm going for him.
Oh, failed.
I killed him, though. Oh, no! Help me, dude. You're like right outside the door.
Okay,
Come on.
where are you at?
Look, he's right there. Come on, dude. You can get me. He's on a turret, so...
Crap, I went the wrong way. No! Oh, that's super cheap. That
No.
dude.
I'm gonna die for my 3rd time.
This will be my second.
Yeah. Dude, I'm losing.
Anybody? Anybody help? No?
I'm coming, Peyton.
I'm not gonna make it.
Oh, dude, nice. Crap, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way like you did. I made the same mistake.
First of all, I don't make mistakes. I just do things accidentally. Kidding. Ah! No! No!
Yeah, I
no,
killed him. I
no.
killed him.
The
No,
guy next
no,
to me?
No!
No!
Look at this! Help! Guys! I'm all the way across the map, dude. And look, I killed one dude and then he choked me. I shot him twice though. Come on, dude. Come inside. Come inside.
Help!
Come on, dude. Help!
Thank you.
I'm inside. Excuse me. Oh, that dude sucks. I died 4 times. I spawned it all the way across the map, so. Oh, that's where the dude was. He was at our first base.
Found him, I found a guy.
No, dude. There was a dude at our first base. That's why we lost it.
Alright, now I need to shoot you. No! I missed him.
Oh, dude, we're losing. Oh, we're winning. Okay, good.
We're winning by quite a bit.
Yeah. No, there's a dude in back of me.
Oh, I hit him. Where's that guy?
Oh, dude, I killed a dude. I stabbed him in the back.
Where are you?
I'm all the way at the beginning. Look, there he is. That dude might survive him. Go for me, please.
I got stuck in a rock.
Oh, he survived. Oh, he got me.
I'm
He
not
survived.
over here anyways.
There, everybody went to that base. No! Oh, I got behind a thing though.
Oh, Sake! You're...
Hurry, look at me.
You can't be revived.
I know, I was just saying, look at me. I have to eat a bean boozle, guys. I'm sorry,
died
dude.
2
I can't
times?
get you.
But I died 2 or 3 times.
You died 4 now.
4?
Yeah.
Really? I don't think I died... No, I don't think I died 4 times.
No, you died 4.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I swear you have. 4 or 3 is one of those. Yeah. I just know you have to eat a bean boozle.
There's a guy down here. At Villa. There's a guy at Villa.
Nice! They're taking over the last one.
We are taking the villa. The enemy's got scouts flying by. Watch your backs.
Oh crap, they're coming in. Crap, they're coming in.
Oh, the first place?
No, at Villa. Come here. At Villa.
Oh, coming!
Oh!
Okay, I'm coming. Almost there.
That was awesome. You should have seen what just happened.
Okay, I'm upstairs.
Me too.
Just tell me where some people are. I'll kill them.
Once you crouch, you go completely behind cover.
Really?
Yeah, like down here.
Where was he?
Warehouse. Oh, the well? Oh, over there. Hi guys.
Okay, he was over here. I did see. There's nobody. But he's back there. I know it.
Where are you?
They're over there.
Oh, I saw him.
Yeah, see? No, they're coming out the side.
Sniper, find some cover.
Okay. We got this.
Oh, we got him. Where do you think they're coming?
Okay. They come out the side, like the side. Like this one. They'll come out this one. Right there.
Found a guy. Got him.
attacking the
I'm
west.
starting to do good.
They're attacking the west house. Oh, nice. Nice, I killed him. I stabbed him. Son.
Dude, usually, oh, I'm doing so good now. Oh,
Stabbed him in the
so you got
arrow.
really good.
I'm capturing the well. Oh! 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 Dude, help! Help it!
You got the bad guy.
Don't worry.
Quickly
Help,
move if there's
help.
another guy shooting at us.
Oh,
Someone's sniping!
Crap, watch out! Crap! Oh, crap!
where are you?
I have no idea exactly. Right there.
There you are.
Quick, there's a guy to your left.
Oh! I got you though.
Where are you?
You can't heal me.
I'm
I'm
trying to
already
heal
dead.
myself.
We have army crawlers here.
I couldn't move the turret.
I don't know. I killed like 12 guys though. I killed him! No!
Scared me.
Ethan! Peyton! Why? I gave you and Peyton. No, you and
Where's he
Ethan
at?
mixed up.
Crap,
Get
there's
me.
a guy, there's
Just
a guy.
hurry, get me. Just get me. And then I can help.
Let me help you out.
Crap, there's somebody else here. Oh no, there's no one.
Oh crap. He's somewhere. I found a guy.
Yeah, but there's a guy out there. Down below, down below. See, he's right next to me.
Oh, I tried to stab him. Look at this. I was so close. Tried to stab him. I should have just saw him. Oh, you and me both have to eat 2 bamboozles. Dude, I killed him.
I don't think we did that many times.
Oh crap. Help.
I think
Help.
I have-
Help. Peyton. Help. I'm at the warehouse.
I'm far away.
No, you rolled it. I'm looking at your screen.
This is Bill.
Yeah, go there. I'm in there. Really, dude? I hate when people don't do this. We heal them. Capture them.
I'm down.
Oh, you're right by me.
What do you think?
I stabbed the ground. Another revolt of you.
That's true.
I don't know. Where are they?
Well, I'm not. I'm just saying. There's that. Otherwise, she said
Oh,
she was going to be.
so it's
Oh,
not-
I know. I saw them.
We.
Wait. Over here. Over here.
What?
Yeah, they're both there.
Which kind of
Okay, I'm
thing
going
you
in.
need to work on some sort of-
They won't see us. Kill
Oh,
me.
by the way, this is a new rule. Sorry, I'm making up new rules as we go. But whoever gets in first place of killing people on a thing, you lose 1 bamboozle. Like you don't have to do one. We'll do that. Like if you get like if we win and like
Oh,
we get first
you get
place.
first place. Okay.
Yeah, like first place, like first. You lose 1 bamboozle. We'll say that. Help, Peyton.
Oh, where are you?
I'm up there. No, I died. You were so close. I have to eat, I think 2 or 3 now. I think
You
it's
don't
2.
have to be so quiet anymore. I'll say something.
I know, but I'm being quiet right now so I can just think.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know what if I eat 2 or 3.
Oh, is it inside?
No, both of us. Come on, people.
Doing much of the team.
Just next to me.
cares? There's nobody that was around us.
We are taking the villa.
We are.
They took the villa again. Hey, yeah, try and come up to me, I'll kill you. Darn it. Hey,
Oh, look at that guy. Did you see that guy?
yeah. Oh, you were right.
That was
You were like super close to me. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Our team won. Nice. Where are we?
No.
I'm in it.
That's me.
Aw. You did make it in top 3 though. Now,
I wish Photoshop wasn't so expensive. I just bought it from Canada. I only had it free while I was in that class.
What the crap?
I don't know. I think it's crazy. Just like any super.
Okay.
That was really
Bean balls all time. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna eat the bean boozles. And so we'll be back. Okay, guys, back. And I am coming now. Okay. So we have the beans right here. I guess I eat 3, you eat 2.
Okay.
Because we died a bunch. We died at the same time. Again. Okay, spin. He got buttered popcorn or raw egg.
What is that one?
Right here. Yeah. Right here.
Are you gonna spin?
Juicy pear. Okay.
She's really nice. I
It's
told her
very
before
ugly.
that I was more than
Remember, I'm
She
ready.
said that I was mad, so I was like,
Ugh.
so she said she
Here, you're spin now. Lose every round now.
Weird thing for her to be doing then.
Who's in the middle?
About the job.
Spin again.
Took me a long time.
In the middle again. Spin again.
That looks more like purple.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Caramel popcorn.
Okay.
No, that's.
Sure.
Yep.
Oh, this one looks like a rotten egg.
You got it. I don't think we have any more of that kind.
Oh, I wish that was better.
Okay. I got the same one. I'm not doing that. Got the same one. Got the same one. Lime. Or lawn clippings. Okay. Lawn clippings. Mmm. Yummy. Just kidding. It's actually lime.
That's disgusting.
Okay. Last turn, guys. We're gonna spin it. Mm. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
That's awful. It's awful.
Canned dog food is. Okay, let's both eat a toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste or blueberry. It'll help us help it.
Yeah, toothpaste.
You got toothpaste? Toothpaste. I don't get how that one's bad or not bad.
Mm.
Pretty good. Oh. I'm glad I didn't get any of the bad ones. Like
You did?
really bad ones.
Oh.
Like skunk spray or rotten egg or 15 sucks. So guys, that's the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, and yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.